Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, we will look after those WhatsApp new policies and terms, and we also look upon how can WhatsApp read our messages and can WhatsApp transfer your data to Facebook. There is a lot of gossip and wrong information circulated according to me. Let's know this in deep and see did really WhatsApp is misusing your data and how this affect to your privacy. Now before starting this video, let me tell you to those who don't know the new updated policy by WhatsApp. On 13th Jan 2021, WhatsApp started giving notifications to some of its customers asking to agree with terms and conditions. If you close this, it will show you again and again, and after 8 Feb 2021, WhatsApp don't allow to use its application unless and until you agree terms and conditions. Many of us don't read one word written on terms and conditions and give permissions to all, but this is not the correct way to deal with it because it's your privacy matter. Let's see this new WhatsApp policy and why everyone is concerned about it. The first main thing here is WhatsApp is openly telling that they will provide some of your data to Facebook or Facebook owned applications like Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Instagram. But this is not the first time that WhatsApp has done this. In June 2020 update, WhatsApp first asked about users to share, do you want to share your data? User can simply deny that. But in this new policy, there is no such options. Either you can agree it or you don't use it. The second main thing here is what data is being shared with Facebook. Some people will say that WhatsApp can read your messages and chats, but this is not correct. WhatsApp is still end-to-end encrypted, which means only the sender and receiver can read the messages, not even WhatsApp, but only with personal accounts, not with business account. But still after this policy, WhatsApp is better than Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger because they are not end-to-end encrypted. It means that the Facebook and Instagram can read your messages. However, the company denied that we will not read any messages of users. These companies runs their business by ads. If you chat with your friend to buy t-shirt, they will show you the t-shirt ads. Like in this way, their business model works. Now let's see what can WhatsApp read from your mobile after this policy. The WhatsApp can read your hardware model, operating system, battery life, signal strength, your time zone, and even your IP address from which you can be tracked. Along with this, they can also see your profile picture, status, name, contact details. There is no other way to earn from WhatsApp. This is the only way from which they can earn from WhatsApp. The best thing to get rid of this thing is to find alternative messaging apps like Signal and Telegram, which is more secure, or use a VPN to use your WhatsApp. After this new policy by WhatsApp, the messaging apps like Signal and Telegram gain more active users. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and like and share this video with your family and friends.